What do you need when you're starting your own online business from scratch with no experience? There is a couple of things that you're going to need, and I'm going to literally tell you exactly what you need, how to get those things, and how you can actually start making money online. Now, my name's Jasmine, if you don't know who I am, and I'm just a regular 22-year-old. I'm a fur baby mama, and I live in Melbourne, Australia. What you need starting off first to start making money online for your business is a product in high demand, okay? You need something that people want. You need a product that is going to sell, that is in high demand, and that is going to solve a problem, okay? I sell and promote digital products that I didn't even create, and they're part of the fastest growing industry, which is the e-learning industry, which literally makes $1.2 billion a day and is estimated to make $1 trillion a day by 2030. Okay, so this is not saturated. This is not a saturated market by any means. It's literally growing, like at lightning pace at this point. And secondly, what you need to have the opportunity to make 100% profit. So there is master resale rights attached to these done for you digital products. And that means that I can promote products that are done for me and I can make 100% profit. You can make 100% profit. Next, you need a blueprint. Okay, when you buy a home, right? You're not going to go to Bunnings and get your nails and the tools and the screws. You're going to get a contractor, right? Of course. And a blueprint to then create your dream home. Okay, that's exactly with an online business. Okay, if you want a successful online business, you need a proven blueprint process to follow. Every successful business has a proven process, which shows them how to get from A to B. So in my circumstance, from broke to making a regular income online. So those are the top 3 things that you need, and I'm going to help you be successful. But the last one, before I do leave that one out, which is one of the most important things, is an automated business. Why? Why do you need an automated business? You want something that's going to replace the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, okay? Because reality is you are only going to get paid for the time that you're at the job, all right? You're trading your time for the dollars. So you're going to be there at that job. You're going to clock in and clock out. And you're going to stay there for 8, 9 to 10 hours a day, right? And you aren't going to get paid any further past that unless you clock in and you be there. So when you have an automated business, you literally learn following a step-by-step blueprint how to automate it within a day. Can take up to 2 days. That there is out there working for you 24/7. It's working for me 24/7. This is how I've had a week like this. I've had sales like this come to me while I was at the beach. I was swimming. I was in the water. And someone had found me through the content I have been creating, because I have been learning how to master who my perfect customer is. That is what this blueprint is teaching me how to do. How to get discovered for free on social media. Seriously, there's 5.4 billion people on social media. I love that I don't got to pay for ads, because we give you 200 high traffic websites to go and put your ads onto. And we walk you through the copy, paste, post method that you can literally get done in half an hour a day. Free ads, getting discovered for free through social media. You aren't going to be paying for marketing because the content is going to be you. You're going to get so good at this, and you're going to learn how to do this in 2 hours a day. Master the 2-hour income producing activity to master the 2-hour income producing activities in 2 hours. So you can have 22 hours in the rest of your day to literally do what you want to do. Go to the beach. Go and take that holiday. Go out with your friends. Spend some quality time with your family. Because that's what happens when you have an automated business working for you. And when you create content, it's literally always out there working for you. It doesn't stop. You don't have to walk into that 9 to 5 and actually physically be there. It's out there, always. These are essential to having a successful business. And I have seen results myself following these proven strategies. The only difference between me and you is I took action. June the 26th, I have been in very difficult financial positions most of my life, okay? April, I did almost hit homelessness because I was working a corporate job that I had been at for 4.5 years, and the income was not sustainable. So I had to move out, okay? That was devastating for me, but I couldn't keep playing the blame game. I had to blame myself, right? Because I wasn't open to learning new skills. When you are open to learning new skills and you are going to be coachable, you say yes to learning something new and you say, no, I don't want to be broke anymore. that is when you start seeing these results. Christmas is coming. If you want to make some extra money for Christmas, jump into this space. The digital space is literally growing, and I don't think people can comprehend how fast it's growing. So if you want to learn how I do this, put the word ready in the comment section. I will also leave the Blueprint website below. Get the information you need. If you have any questions, click that link that I'm going to put in the description, put in your email address, check your inbox. You will get an automated email from me. Respond and I will be happy to help you. I want to help change your life. I don't want to see you struggle. You don't have to struggle. Not when the digital space is growing the way it is. You don't got to be someone special. You just got to be you. And take action, my friends. I will see you in... Oh, before I say that, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget. So you can check out more of these digital marketing tips and tricks that are going to help you in your business. Let's go. See you next video.